Hi everybody, it's Kathy from Huckleberry Herbs and Art. How are you? I hope you're all doing well and faring well in the, shall we call it, stormy times today. On this channel I do crafting videos, gardening videos, paper crafting especially, and once a month the Heartfelt Creations release, which this month is Cascading Petals. And so that's what I'm here to show you. And if you like purples and wisteria, this is all about wisteria and some really cool bird images. So hang in there for that, as well as some updates on what I've been doing. I have a lot of videos shot on the things that I've been doing in the garden. And these are the smaller combination 5x5s with the lovely borders. Yeah, I've been doing a real lot around the house, but remote teaching is 24/7. There is no break. There is no weekend. The kids are emailing me for help with stuff all the time. I'm constantly working, so you would think I have time to do all the extra crafts, but I really don't. And then I've had some updates with Huckleberry Herbs and Art, and this is so pretty. Look at this with the wisteria all along here. It's just coming into the time when the wisteria, those beautiful hanging, and as they used the word, cascading petals. Oh, I look forward to that every year. And here in southern New Hampshire, I was getting really nervous. That's a very pretty layout page. That I was not going to see my wisteria this year because we have had one heck of a spring season that feels a lot more like winter with snow and hail, and there's been all parts of the country, all kinds of crazy weather going on for this time of the year. The smaller cards with larger and some lovely sentiments that you can just cut out. Beautiful pinks and purples with lovely greens, and perfect for the May-June season. And these beautiful bluebirds, wait till you see these, those of you that have not, or that have been with Heartfelt for a while. These are much larger birds than we are used to with the bluebirds. They usually have little ones. These are much sleeker, longer, yes. And so here's a beautiful layout page with the birds on both of the bottom corners, and then the lovely wisteria up here. And yes, they have all the stamps and the dies for this as well. Lovely script and beautiful color tones. Here's this cute little window with this lovely little scene in the wisteria. Along the edge, a bit of the brick, and then some script and scroll running throughout the layout page. So at any rate, I've been really busy with school, and I have a lot going on at the homestead here, which I really hope I have time to just put the videos together. So gardening like crazy. This is a lovely wide stripe with a heart shape of the wisteria vines. We had puppies. Raspberry and Teddy had puppies, so we've had puppy care. And then I have chickies. Okay, so I've got 10 chickens. I don't know if you can hear the hammer out there. My husband is out there building a chicken coop as we speak, and I'll have pictures with that too. And we are expecting New Guinea Keats, because we're not sure if we have a rooster, and we're not sure how much protection we'll need for our new chickens. These are all the tag pages. Oh, so pretty, that purple. I love it. And then the beautiful wisteria. I think that in my gardening channel I actually have pictures of my wisteria hanging off of the little trellis my husband built. And here's a lovely simple layout page with the bit of scroll and script. And then there's some ghosting. Can you see that? There's like a ghosting of the wisteria along the bottom, and then the more vivid wisteria up at the top. I can just picture a lot of different beautiful cards and things to make at this time in our lives. I mean, that's a really good way. Our hobby, we who make cards and things, our hobby I think is more needed than ever right now, to sit and make something really pretty and leave a nice message for people, or to take the photographs if you're home and you have the time, make yourself a mini album. Huckleberry Herbs and Art is my YouTube channel. Huckleberryherbs.com is my store. I don't have any of the newer things. I've just been too busy to keep up on that, but I do have a lot of the old Heartfelt Creation stuff. I love this door. I love the wisteria, and I love that they colored it purple. And again, a little bit of the brick and stuff. Sorry, I'm trying to do a lot of different things here at the same time, update people who have been with me for a while, and show this and make suggestions for people maybe who are new to the hobby, that yes, making cards right now and sending them out to people to cheer them up, to make contact with people in another way besides on a screen, and something with some pleasant memory, and to make your mini albums while you have the time, and or your photo albums, and get them all dolled up, and you know, for when you're busy again and you don't have the time anymore, right? So this one is a perfect one for a background, or to line a gift box with, or whatever kind of creative ideas you have. And here are the wisteria on the page that the dies will actually fit this. So if you don't have much time, or you want to just get to it, you can go cut your birds, you can cut your little cascading wisteria. There's some single ones here. I love that they put the white in. So I could just picture this at the top of the card with all like a clear sparkle on those. And I like this stripe. I don't usually like stripe, but this stripe is beautiful because it's all kinds of purples. And another cutout page with the little flower petals. Those will be so pretty. And little versions of the cascades. And look at this lovely shape of the heart with the wisteria going in blues and purples to match your pretty bluebirds. So yeah, we put up we're putting up a chicken coop. We have little chickens. We have new guinea keats, and new guinea keats are to sort of take the place of a rooster if we don't have one, because I bought 10 females. You're never positive you have 10 female chickens, I guess. Could be a rooster in there, could be 2 roosters in there. But you need something just to be sort of a warning and a protector for the little flock. So puppies and chickens and work is never ending with school. And then I am trying to find time to get into these gorgeous papers and dies and stamps with Heartfelt, because that's my hobby. That's what I like to do on the side. But I have tons of video of I'm expanding my gardens, and we're expanding what we can do here at home to take care of ourselves. And I hope to have some separate videos up with that. So these are the larger layouts in a 6x6 form. So if you like the layout, as a matter of fact, maybe you could do a beautiful layout photo frame for somebody and then send along a card that matches the frame. I love this purple. It's a really deep, dark purple along the edges. And then it just diminishes slightly into like puffy clouds. And then there's beautiful little designs running throughout it. More of the 6x6s. And this is a violet. Isn't that beautiful? That is so pretty. That is a gorgeous color. So some violet. And they have done their tags again with no sentiments inside, so that you can do your own, or you can use this lovely pink on the other side. Beautiful papers. I really like these, and it makes me just so happy to think of my wisteria hanging up there on their special little place. I'll put some pretty colors in the background while we look at the stamps. So first, the stamps and the dies, sold separately, but they are perfect together. Here is the Cascading Wisteria. And this is the stamp, this is the die. I don't know if there's anybody that never did this hobby before, but if you have a die machine, you just pop these out. You can color them yourself after you stamp them, or if you get the papers, you can just pop out those ones with the die that you want to take off those pages. 5 by 2.75. So that's how the size of the larger one. So that's the Cascading Wisteria. Lots of combinations there. Here's the beautiful floral song, and this has the birds, and it's good so you can put them facing each other if you want to. And there's the dies that cut the images out. These are 3.5 by 2.5 and 3.5 by 2.25, and like I said, these are much larger birds than the little ones that we're used to. They have these little bluebirds throughout their collections, but these are nice sized birds. You can make the bird the focal point of the card or whatever you're designing at the moment. So that's the floral song. And the wisteria petals. So there's where you have your little flowers, and these would be easy to shape once you cut them out, just pushing in the center. And they have two sides, plus you can pop some three-dimensional. And there's the die. Oh, and it comes with, or the collection comes with, these are all sold separately, this decorative bird cage, or decorative cage. And it's a biggie. It's large. So, that's how large it is. It takes up almost the whole entire thing. Very pretty. And I do think that if you set your die up so that it doesn't cut right here, it would be great to make a bird cage card, like the whole shape. So I definitely have to try that. I hope school is going to end June 15th. And I hope to have time for those of you that are interested in making some of the gardening videos and to show you the puppies and the chickens and some other things that we're doing around here. And in the meantime, I hope you're all staying safe and that you are at peace. Stay healthy, stay safe, stay loving, stay at peace. All right, if you want some older Heartfelt stuff, huckleberryherbs.com. Otherwise, I hope you are doing well, and I look forward to you. Thank you so much. Give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. Say hello if you're just here for the release. And maybe some of you are looking forward to me getting some of these gardening and chicken videos and puppy videos up too. Anyway, I hope you're all hanging in there, and well, till next time, everybody. This is Kathy from Huckleberry Herbs and Art. God bless.